Good evening, guys. Your boy Hamaji is back this evening with another video. Guys, we're just going to get straight into the content. You guys know the drill, yada yada. If you want to become subscribers, hit the bell, hit the likes, dislikes, whatever. None of this is ever financial advice. It's just your boy sharing thoughts and opinions. Nothing more, nothing less. Without further ado, let's find out what's going on in the Wild Wild West of crypto land. Guys, Bitcoin is down 2.3%. We're sitting at 42,596. All right, enough of Bitcoin. Now let's dive straight into Dogecoin. Guys, we are still number 11. What? Guys, we're sitting at 1.761. We're up 8.2%. Guys, we are up almost 3% in the last couple hours from when I made my video. Our 24-hour low, guys, is sitting at 16 cents, and our 24-hour high was at 0.1797. Basically, almost 18 cents. Now, our trading volume is at $23.3 billion. And our volume, guys, in the last 24 hours is now sitting at 2.65 billion. Guys, just about 3 hours ago, we were at 1.9. So obviously the bullish momentum continues in Doge. All right, enough of the stats. Let's dive right into the charts. I got some stuff to show you on the 4-hourly, then we'll get into the daily. All right, guys, on my video earlier that I showed you guys on the 4-hour time frame, right, we have this 180-day moving average, which is this line here, right, that has been acting pretty much as a resistance for quite some time on the 4-hourly time frame. Now, as you can see here, right, earlier today we tested it, we got rejected, but the bulls created more momentum once again. And as you can see on the last 4-hourly candle, right, we have basically broke above this 180-day moving average. We came down and tested it, right? Now, in my opinion, the bulls have definitely reclaimed the 180-day moving average. They solidified and definitely reclaimed it as a bottom, right, for now on the 4-hourly time frame by coming back down, testing it, and bouncing back off of it, right? Because that is about straight up 17 cents, but now we're at 0.1769. So we have definitely claimed it, but just to be sure, hopefully, give it another 24 hours. And if we are still above this 180-day moving average, we've definitely have reclaimed this moving average. Now, guys, the last time Doge was above the 180-day moving average for a substantial amount of time was back in October 5th, right, of 2021 to November 15th. So basically for about a month and a half, right? And the price had went from 22 cents on October 5th and to testing 33 cents on October 28th, right? And obviously, we got rejected. Now, I'll go back and I'll show you what I'm talking about real quick. Let me scroll back here, right, guys, and show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, where we at here? December. Okay, I got my circles. So now, what I'm talking about, right here is October 5th, right? Is when we broke. This is when we broke above the 180-day moving average, and we stayed above it all the way till November 15th. But granted, right here on the 28th of October, we tested it, right? And that's when we bounced off of this moving average, and we shot all the way up and tested 33 cents up here, right? And we got rejected, and then we gradually trended down until November 15th when we came right here and we tested this 180-day moving average, and we obviously broke it, and we have been since November 15th of 2021, we have been underneath this 180-day moving average. Now, the reason why I'm showing you guys this is, like I pointed out on earlier's video, right, is you can use this kind of as a guide, right? When we are above the 180-day moving average, Dogecoin seems to be bullish, and it continues, and it seems to go in an uptrend, right? The momentum is in an uptrend. And when we are below it, we are in a downtrend. So now that we have broke above it on the 4-hourly and we tested it and basically solidified it, I think things are looking extremely bullish, right? Now, let's go to the daily time frame, right? Let me get rid of all this stuff here first, guys, right? Let me get rid of all these circles and show you some bullish stuff on the daily. So let me get rid of this line here now. Okay, so now what we're going to do is get some moving averages, right? We're going to get our 50-day moving average. Now, we are testing that now as resistance, right, guys? This is our new resistance, right? Because the 20-day moving average was just our level of resistance, right, guys? Now, as you can see, we broke past it today, right? Now, basically, that is our level of support. But Not just that, guys, we are now testing our next level of resistance. Guys, we have tested 2 levels of resistance in just today, in the last 24 hours. Now we are testing the 50-day moving average. So what the point I'm trying to get at, guys, is things are looking extremely bullish for Dogecoin. Now, if we get above this 50-day moving average, I definitely think we are definitely getting ready and primed for a major breakout to the upside within the next week or so, I believe, right? Now, that's just my opinion, right? Who am I? I'm just a YouTuber with 2,000 subscribers, right? I'm a nobody, right? But just in my opinion, looking at the charts and history, how it tends to repeat itself, so on and so forth, right? I truly believe we have a lot of good bullish momentum going for us, right? We got a lot of bullish volume going. We have a lot of positive catalysts, so on and so forth. All right, guys. Now, that's what I wanted to show you guys on the chart. I don't want to spend too much time on that. All right, guys. So take from it what you want, right? Bottom line is, Dogecoin is looking extremely bullish, baby, right now. So, yeah. Now, let's dive into some Doge news. All right, guys. Now, it says Dogecoin is now leading altcoin market rally with 12% in last 24 hours. Did you guys hear that, guys? Now, Dogecoin is leading the rally in the overall altcoin market. Now, when's the last time Doge has done that? It's been quite some time, guys. I'm telling you, we got a lot of bullish momentum going for us. Now, it says, according to coin market cap data, Dogecoin is leading the altcoin recovery rally for coins and tokens, with capitalization exceeding 10 billion. Second place is being held by Shiba Inu meme coin with 12% 24-hour growth, while Dogecoin holds its first place with a 13% increase. The sudden appearance of buying power on both Doge-related cryptocurrencies was a pleasant surprise for investors from both communities, as no fundamental changes in the sentiment or news background of those assets has been noticed. Excuse me. Well, I beg to differ on that because I got something about Tesla, right? We'll get into that here in a second. Now it says, according to, it says altcoins rebounding from a strong dive. According to crypto market capitalization, excluding Bitcoin, the market has gained back almost 100 billion in the last 3 days. The data correlates with the average price action on altcoins like Doge, Shiba, and Matic. Now, this is positive stuff, guys. Now, let's go into our next article right here. All right, guys. Now it says meme coins, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu mount double-digit recovery amid crypto rebound. Now it says Dogecoin and Shiba, the industry's two most popular meme coins, have both rallied by over 12% in the last 24 hours, leading the charge in the broader crypto market. Now it says, according to data from CoinGecko, Doge is up 13.3% over the day, changing hands at about 0.175, 17 cents, right? It says both coins are currently the 12th and 13th. We're actually 11 now, baby. Cryptocurrencies, right now, says whales buying the Doge and Shiba dip. Now, it says strong gains seen by Doge and Shiba can be partly attributed to large token holders, also referred to as whales, accumulating the two coins in recent days. Now, guys, on my previous video yesterday that I made, right, I had said there was $176 million worth of Doge from January 1st to January 10th that had been shuffled around between wallets, between multiple transactions. Right now, for those of you that don't know, when there's multiple transactions being done on the Doge blockchain, it helps push the price of Doge up. It does. So the more transactions that are being done, it actually acts as a positive momentum and pushes the price of Doge up. That's why we have the price has been going up in the past 3 days. There's been a lot of positive momentum and a lot of bullish volume. Now it says, as data from Dogecoin Whale Alert shows, nearly 1 billion worth of Doge, over 5.8 billion Doge, was moved in one mammoth-sized transaction earlier on Thursday, which is today. Right now, that is $997.6 million. Now, guys, combine that 997.6, right, guys, with the $252.2 million from yesterday. That's a whopping $1.2 billion in the past 13 days that has been shuffled on the Doge blockchain on multiple transactions. This is a huge positive catalyst, guys. There's a lot of movement going on the Doge blockchain, right? And it shows on the price, right? I'm just so excited right now, guys, because a lot of people are underestimating, as always, and counting Dogecoin out, right? Everybody's talking about Shiba Inu and all these other coins. Not there's anything wrong with those, but a lot of people are counting the triple OG big dog Dogecoin out, right? And I'm a big time Doge army soldier, Now, all right, guys, let me dive into my last Doge article here. Now, it says Tesla appears to be testing a payment option for Dogecoin. Now, guys, I think this is another positive catalyst that has been helping the price of Doge these past couple days. Right now, it says Tesla appears to be testing a payment option for Dogecoin. It says the move comes 1 month after Tesla CEO Elon Musk said the company will accept Doge for merchandise. Now they're testing it, guys, for to buy the cars, not just for merchandise now, right? And with this being a rumor that's going on Twitter, I truly believe that this is acting as a positive catalyst. It says electric car maker Tesla is testing previously teased Dogecoin payment option according to its website source code. It says the Doge payment option was added for testing around 3 days ago. A software engineer who goes by Tree of Alpha on Twitter told the block the engineer analyzed Tesla's source code in the back end and said the company is definitely testing that option. Now, it says most of the code is already presented in the latest JavaScript files Tesla used for processing payments, but that part about Dogecoin is forced to return no matter what happens, thus never showing. Basically, a way to test code in production, said Tree of Alpha in a direct Twitter message. In other words, the Doge payment option is currently a hidden feature. Most non-technical people cannot see it by themselves yet. In other words, guys, what he's saying, obviously, he's a tech guru. He knows how to look into the code, and he can see that for sure Tesla is testing Doge payments for the electric vehicles, not just for the merchandise. So this is another bullish catalyst on top of, what I showed you guys on the charts and all this movement on the Doge blockchain, these $1.2 billion in the past basically 2 weeks. Guys, we have a lot of stuff going for us. Like I continuously tell you, I truly believe 2022 is going to be a major breakout year for Dogecoin. You just watch. All right, guys. Now, that's pretty much as far as I had as far as Dogecoin news goes. You know what I mean? I'm all excited. I know I sound really excited. You know what I mean? So, all right, enough of Doge. Now, let's dive into a little bit of overall crypto market news before I close this video out. All right, guys. Thank you if you're still with me, man. It says apartment bought in Mexico for 5.78 Bitcoin. The purchase marks Latin America real estate market leader La Cruz first home sale for Bitcoin. I'm not going to dive into the whole thing, right? I just want to briefly touch on it, right, guys? Now, it says Latin America real estate platform La Haas has made its first home sale for Bitcoin 2 months after it announced it would start accepting the peer-to-peer currency as a payment for property sales in Colombia and Mexico. Now, guys, let me jump into this next article. Where is it at? Okay, here we go. I'm going to close out with this article here, okay, guys? Because I know it's already been about 12 minutes, so thank you if you're still with me, because I know I can ramble on. More U.S. first-time home buyers sell crypto for down payment survey. Now, you just had this article in Mexico, which is a different country, right, guys? Now, here in America, the point I'm trying to make out is, guys, is that crypto is now starting to take a chunk out of real estate, and there is trillions upon trillions of dollars in the real estate market. Now, if crypto assets such as Bitcoin, Dogecoin can get just some of that money allocated into the cryptocurrencies, God, this would be huge, guys. It would be a major, major positive for the crypto markets. It would definitely help push the price of the crypto markets to the sky, baby. Now, it says some 12% of U.S. first-time homebuyers surveyed in the fourth quarter of last year said that selling cryptocurrencies helped them save for a down payment, up from 9% in the third quarter of 2020, according to a survey by U.S. real estate listing provider Redfin. It says the Redfin commissioner surveyed included some 1,500 American residents who said they plan to buy or sell a home in the following 12 months, conducted by research technology company Lucid from December 10th to December 13th, 2021. The survey focused on 215 of the 1,500 respondents who indicated they were planning to buy their first home in the next year. Now, it says with extra time and lack of exciting ways to spend money, many people have been trading cryptocurrencies during the pandemic, said Daryl Fairweather, chief economist at Redfin. Right, guys, now I'm going to finish off with this here. Now, it says Fairweather said that a part of those investments went up in smoke while others jumped to the moon, or at least enough to help fund a down payment on home, right? You can check the rest of this article out, right? Crypto is one way for people without generational wealth to win a lottery ticket to the middle class, concluded the firm's chief analyst. Now, guys, like I said, I just wanted to point out these two articles, right? Because it's about crypto being in the real estate department. People are using crypto to buy real estate. This is huge, guys. I'm telling you guys, in the next 5 to 10 years, you're going to wish that you had invested in crypto, man. But anyways, I'm going to leave it at that, guys. Your boy Jaime G is out. And stay bullish on Dogecoin, baby. Stay safe until tomorrow. Your boy Jaime G is out. Peace.